Hello everyone, this is Kay and today it's on the 12th of June 2019 and this chart is the daily chart of Euro Pound and I'm thinking to trade this currency pair because as you can see it's been a strong bull trend recently, it's no doubt. And if you look at the price action, the price marked a highest on last December, higher low and lower low chart pattern. Then it went straight down. Then it moved up and marked double head. Then it came down and created a range. Now, when you look at the bottom of the chart, it marked the lowest price about 1, 2, 3, and after the fourth drop, it spiked up and it's been on bull moment since then. Now, you can say that this is a wide range between this highest and this recent lowest prices. And if you are a swing trader who holds position for a month, then this might not be a good timing because the price is kind of in the middle of the range and it could go up to this highest or drop down to the lowest price, and the risk reward ratio will not gonna be good. But for day traders like myself who only hold positions for a couple of days, this is a great chance to buy because it's on the bull trend obviously. Now let's break it down to 1 hour chart. Okay, this is 1 hour chart and it's also showing bull trend just as daily chart. The price action has been continuous lower high, higher high until this point. But look how it's changing from here. Here after it created like double top, the price action became higher low and lower low. So primary trend is still in a bull trend, but if you break it down, we can say that it's currently on a downtrend. Now, depending on how you look at the chart, there are reasons for buy and reasons for sell in this chart. Think for a moment yourself and try to create a scenario. Like, what do you think that the chart will move from this point? If you think it's gonna go upwards, what are the reasons? And if you think the price will go downwards, what are your ideas? Think about it for a moment. Okay, there are reasons that the price could go either direction. First, let's think of a case when the price goes down. If I bring up the reasons, number 1, the recent price action shows downtrend like lower high, lower low. Then along with the price action, if you look at the moving average, the pink line, it's moving downwards. And the price just broke Ichimoku's cloud downwards. Then number 2, you can draw a horizontal line here. So the price could be resisted here and could go down from the current price. And we never know how far the price could go down. Okay then, when you created a scenario of buy, what was your scenario? First, the primary trend is uptrend, and if you see the chart in a longer time frame, it's still lower high. So unless the price breaks the recent lowest, it's still on the bull trend. Also, look at the stochastics, it's showing oversold signal as it shows in red. And also, if you look at the recent candles, the wicks are pointing downwards, right? So that means the price could be supported and could go up from here. So which one did you think? Buy or sell? As you know, there's no universally right answer to it. It's just how you see the chart depending on the time frame, how long you hold the position, and what tools you use. If you have any other thoughts or ideas, put them into the comment box below. Okay, let's break it down to 5-minute chart and see what we can find. Okay, here is the 5-minute chart. The price came down all the way and marked selling climax, and then it moved up but resisted here. Then came down, but it didn't go below the recent lowest, marked lower high. Then it's moving up. The price broke Ichimoku cloud upwards, and it could be a sign of trend reverse, and the price could go upwards from here. However, the stochastic shows overbought, so the price could go down from this point and could mark lower high and go up, or it breaks the recent lowest downwards and the price continues to go down. We never know. Okay, let me place a buy here. I will place a smaller lot, like just 10 for now, because the price could go back down from here, and also the distance to recent lowest is about 30 pips. So I will take the risk into consideration. Anyways, let me place a buy. Maybe it could be resisted once and could go up after that. I don't know, but even the price goes back down, I can take the risk of 30 pips, about $3,900, and aim for the target of 1 hour chart. It's a recent highest, which is about 100 pips. So the risk to reward becomes 1 to 3 in this case. Okay, let me leave the chart and I will report it later. Okay, this is like 30 minutes after from the previous recording. This is also a 5-minute chart, but the price is coming back down with strong momentum. And let's see. Wow, the price just broke upwards, and let's see. Yeah, it's pretty strong, very strong buy energy here. This must be caused by some fundamental news, but yeah, this is very strong. Whenever you see this kind of price action, and when it shoots up or shoots down like this, usually it comes back right down and start to go opposite direction. But in this case, we'll see. Okay, about 1 hour passed from the previous record. After the spike, the price is coming back down, and let's see, this is 5-minute chart, but look how the price stopped at this bullish candle. And if I draw a line here, it was right at the past dip, and the price shows the green bullish candle. So let me place another buy with 10 lots here and place the stop loss right below the recent lowest. I expect the price will go up from here, but if it goes down, I don't want to hold the position until the greater lowest, which is at this point. So for this position, I place stop loss here, and if it gets cut, it's okay. The price has been marking lower highs here, and also if you draw lines like this, the angle is getting steep, right? So if the price were to go up from this point, it might be a great spot for a continuous bull trend, which is a primary trend. So we'll see. This is 1 hour chart, and after a while the price kept moving up, as you see. In the previous recording, I placed buy at this point, and it just kept moving up since then. The price is just broke the recent highest upwards on this 1 hour chart and heading towards the next target, which is at this level. So at this moment, I'm thinking to move the stop loss to a little above, because it's clear that the market is on bull trend now. So let's look at 15-minute chart and look for a reasonable price level for the stop loss. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart, and as you just saw on 1-hour chart, this 15-minute chart also shows its own bull trend, and you can see that the price just broke recent highest upwards. And let's see where I can move the stop loss. In this chart, the price is moving above like 20 pips from the first position and about 15 pips from my second position. This is something to remember, but if the stop loss or take profit line is too close, then it might touch the line and lose your position. Of course, you don't lose any money if it's moved right above the entry position, but your winning rate will become low in that case. So it all depends on the volatility and the price action basically. So in this case, in this 15-minute chart, the price is moving very strong recently, and this is too strong. I mean, if it's too strong like this, it might be going backwards, just as you saw earlier spike on 5-minute chart and creates a dip, then the uptrend may continue. So with that being said, I will move the stop loss to the recent lowest, which is at this level. You know, you don't want to lose any money, so it's necessary to move the stop loss to your position after you confirm the price is going up or down, but the timing is very important. You cannot just look at the chart and say, oh, it's moving up, so let's move the stop loss. No. You better wait and see how the price will move, whether it marks pushback, support it somewhere, and goes up or not. Otherwise, it could be a bad break even because you lose that position and your winning rate will be dropped. So it's your call whether you choose break even or wait until you confirm the price action. Maybe you have to go out for any reasons like dinner or meeting friends or whatever and cannot look at the chart real time. And in that case, you could move the stop loss to the position with only like 20 pips or so away from the current price. But anyways, always keep in mind that when you have the position with some profit, it's already advantage and you don't want to lose the position so easily. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Okay, a few hours have passed from the previous recording and the price is coming back down now. This is 5-minute chart and I was recording this video like right at this point previously, but the price has been coming back down now. The downtrend is pretty steady, marking higher low, lower low, and looks like now just that the price could be supported here and go up. You can draw a line here, and this is like the last stand. If the price breaks this point downwards, then I will cut the loss and we'll see. Yeah, if you look at the tick of the price action, I can see that it's pushing downwards, not like pushing up the ceiling, so it might break downwards. Yeah, the energy downwards is pretty strong, and right now if you look at the profit down here, it's just like break even, right? Between these two positions, slightly on profit, like a few dollars. Okay, I will cut the loss now. Wow, the price just keeps going downwards as soon as I cut the loss. It's almost like 10 pips, right, drop in a second. So if I was holding the position, I was getting like $1,000 loss. So I have to say it was a right loss cut. So whenever you see the chart real time, especially in this kind of 5-minute or 1-minute chart, if you look at the smaller time frame and look for the chance to place orders or cut loss, take profit, one thing you can look at is the tick movement. I call this the heartbeat of the market, but the price was just hitting the ground many times before it breaks downwards, right? If you watch the chart real time and if you try to get the timing, you can listen to the heartbeat of the price action in lower time frame so that you know which direction the market wants to move in a short term. Sometimes I listen to the heartbeat during some economic news like employee change or FOMC. Like when those big news happens, you can see the price move actively and you can really feel the heartbeat of the market. Okay, now the price is even further down. Glad that I cut the position already. Like I said on my previous video, I believe surviving from the market is more important than winning. Survive first, then you can talk about winning. If you cannot survive, and if you lose your bullets, you cannot keep fighting, so it's always better to end the game with at least break even because there are chances every day. Okay, this is gonna be it for today's video. I'm going out to take my dog for a walk now, and after that I will record another videos on dollar CAD and pound JPY because I am making some profits on those currency pairs now. I will put the link below, so please check it out too. And before you leave, please make sure to press a good button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe for my future videos. Cheers, bye.